towards extraction point. Over.
Heads up, our boys are coming through.
Viper, this is CP. Be advised. Possible hostile forces approaching TS-129 at their 12 o'clock.
Call them out.
Target. Sector Bravo, deep. Vehicle, belt-fed weapon.
Range it.
$870 in closing. Wind 3/4 value. Push to left. 900 yards. Wide spot on the road.
On target.
All scope. Fire when ready. Hit.
Command post, this is Viper. Hostile threat down. Over.
Viper, this is command post. We copy your traffic. Over.
Call it in, it's time to go.
Command post, this is Viper. Mission accomplished. Packing up.
Viper, be advised. Larger hostile forces approaching your sector Bravo.
Weren't supposed to be hostiles that close. Crooked tree. 675. 30 miles an hour, 3 mil lead. Transition to machine gun. 900 3/4 value. Fire when ready. Head bay. 920. 3/4 value.
I see it, Donnie, see it.
Fire when ready.
They don't know where we are, or they might get lucky.
Command post, this is Viper. Enemy forces have been stopped. Break. Friendlies are continuing on to extract point. Break. We're receiving small arms and indirect fire from hostile troops. Break.
Command post, do you read me?
Shut it down. They're highly trained men 8 kilometers inside a country we are not supposed to be in. I'm sure they'll get out just fine. Shut it down now.
Radio check, do you read me?
Okay, wrap it up. Let's go.
Back it up. Intelligence said they didn't have air support! Call it in! Shit! The channel's down! That's impossible! The comlink's dead! They left us here! Don't worry, we're getting home!